WDAY stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. WDAY, or just Workday, has gone up 6%, which is quite sick. I've done 36,000 videos. I spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what is not. That being said, with WDAY, I'm just looking to take things up. I mean, I'm not even trying to, you know, like complicate anything. Like my hard time for my buy idea that I got was like right here, and here's the proof of me calling it out beforehand.
If you want to learn,
you can see it, like at the time it was sitting at approximately 231, and I was looking to take it up.
So,
and guess what happened? And this is 6 months ago. It's on a great way there, and yeah, I mean, slowly but surely, I was looking to double down on this long side. Let's say confirmation never got met, and I just honestly didn't even look at it. But yeah, ultimately, maybe, and just maybe, if it actually pulls down and it shows me the rules, then that's something that I'll look to buy. But other than that, probably just everything else is noise, you know, pure noise. So no need to force anything. So what I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, just click the first link in the description. There's a lot of salts there.